Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 50i Prime. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. And finally select receive on your Realme and send on an Android. Now you can pick all of your files that you wish to send by clicking on all of those type of dots and selecting send over here. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine now, so I will go with only one photo, just for example, maybe that one. Click on send and then tap on got it. Now on Realme, just no thanks and close this window. From here we have the connection ways. If you want to scan this QR code, you can do that by selecting this scanning icon on Realme, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing your camera at this code. If you don't want to do that, you can always input this key over here instead and tap on receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!